Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to take my Bose Sound Link headphones, which have seen better days, and repair them. So let's get started. So the first thing I'll show you is the state the headphones are currently in. I've had these 6 years, but they still work perfectly. If I take them out, I'll just move this aside just now. As soon as I let go, you will see the ear cups are completely detached. So one of the good things about using Bose headphones is they actually provide additional parts. In this case I've actually got a generic part that should fit the bill. Just take them out of the box. I've not tested these yet, I have no idea how they're supposed to go on. So we got two in the box, which is obviously expected, and a QR code for the company's website. Okay, so taking a closer look at these, obviously we have our right and our left, which I think should be that way. And looking at these, I think these are just literally stretched over the old pads. So let's have a look. So if you actually look closely at these, you can see there's a small lip. So I'm presuming it's that lip that I have to get this inside. And this is a lot more difficult than it looks. I actually thought these just stuck on. Okay, so I stopped that for a moment there. So I've noticed I still have part of the pad already left in here by the looks of things. So I'm just going to use tweezers to take that out. So that wouldn't have been helping my case. And it looks like I've got the same over the other side. Okay, so that's both the remainders of the previous ear cups removed. I sat down just now. And I also appear to have, there seems to be a plastic disc in these, which I presume is just to keep their shape in transit. So hopefully I'm going to try and remove these. There we go. And the same with the second one. Okay. Now hopefully that gives me some more room here. And I simply just pull this and work its way around into the lip that I mentioned earlier on. As you can see, it's going in a little better than it was previously. He says as he pulls a good chunk of it out again, it's definitely fiddly. If you're fortunate enough to live near a Bose store, they will actually do this for you. They'll order the parts in, and that includes fitting. Or at least it did the last time I was inside one. Okay, I've got about half on, so let me just place that there. I'm going to see if I can get my iFixit toolkit and maybe use a spudger to help. Okay, can't find my iFixit toolkit, so I guess I'm just going to have to struggle on. Oh, and there you go, one mistake and it all comes off again. Okay, that one's actually now upside down, but it is on. And now we just repeat for the other side. See, I'm trying to pinch just enough of the plastic to pull it and stretch it over. The articulated part of the headphones is just making this a little bit more difficult. So as you can see, I'm about halfway there. I think I've just removed part of it. I did. Oh, and there's the other half off. So you see, it is a bit of a faff. Oh, and there you go. I thought I'd got it on and it's popped off again. There really is very little room for mistakes here. And there you go. I'm really struggling with this one. Because as soon as I seem to get one side on, the other side seems to pop off. Because of how you've got to pinch and pull it. Remember, you're only trying to get a very thin plastic and a very small lip. As I say, the articulating headphone part does not make it any easier. Oh, I thought I had it there. Almost. There we go. So it's a bit of a faff, but that's me just recovered those headphones. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.